Hello friends, welcome to the second travel vlog of our trip to the port city of Visakhapatnam. This area looks more like Bangalore, except for the traffic. There is absolutely no traffic here. Our next stop is Kailasagiri. This hilltop is right next to the beach. Let me see if I can find a spot where I can show you the beach. That's a patch of road that will test the off-roading capability of this car. Let's try doing it. Looks like we forgot to record while we climbed up. Let's see if you can enjoy the off-roading while we climb down. Before we do that, I got a fantastic viewpoint I wanted to show you guys. Let me get down and do that. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ta-da! How is that for a viewpoint? And this is the road that I was talking about. We climbed up. The ride might get more bumpier. That's an interesting looking arch. Let's see if we can find a spot to park the car. Got it.
After spending almost half a day under the baking sun, we went to our hotel room.
In the evening, we headed out again. This is a small aquarium with a decent collection of fish.
Tu-142M is the heaviest, fastest and highest flying turboprop aircraft in the world, serving the Indian Navy. It was recently de-inducted after 29 years of service and converted into a museum by the Andhra Pradesh government.
We had yummy dinner and called it a day. Okay.